people, but he was not with a flower, but he was not Phoebe. Then he got feed to a cold beast.
A beast.
Then it's cold to
Oh my goodness.
Then a
That
true
was not cool right there.
scary.
Ooh, it's scary.
Then come back. Then then it grass everyone.
Scratched everybody?
Yes, bites.
Bites.
Yeah, scratch everyone. Then it runs. It runs and get everywhere. And it runs tracks. Then it runs claws. Then it was Santa who get it all. Then a wolf got to bite.
Oh, what?
Oh,
Look at them lips.
Then it was terrified.
Terrified?
He's three.
Yeah.
Terrified?
I got activated.
And then you got aggravated.
No,
It's activated.
no. No, explain the word.
Is that the end of your story?
No. No, I'm not done.
Oh,
the
my.
wolf story.
Oh,
The
okay.
wolf was running into the beach.
Is there a Fashugi ball in there in your story?
Is she?
No.
No.
Come
No, then a wolf was playing with the other wolf.
He was
He was playing with a girl.
So the boy wolf was playing with a girl wolf, huh?
Uh-oh.
Yes, then the boy was trying to keep her away.
He was trying to keep her away.
Yeah,
Baby
trying to
carrot.
bite and trying to sit. But her was trying to do something. But her said sorry. But her said don't do that. Then
They'll come wherever we are.
wolf
That's
dad.
what I want him to do. So we need to hide
A
somewhere.
wolf daddy?
Yeah,
Who's wolf daddy?
I got a
Wolf mommy.
A wolf
It
mom?
was everywhere. Everywhere, just like a wolf. Then it
refill your
no.
Are you afraid?
I mean, the shot is
Oh my goodness.
Then it got freeze up.
and they gotta come.
Then
Tell us what happened.
then a dog and Scooby-Doo got scared.
When did Scooby-Doo get there?
Scooby-Doo got next to
Scooby
the
comes to
wolf.
all the scary stuff, right?
No, he got next to the wolf. He got bite.
Oh,
Then
they
he
spit on him.
bite his first. Then he got bite first. Then,
Did they eat slushies?
huh?
Did Scooby-Doo eat slushies?
No, Scooby-Doo drinks slushies. But the
Scooby
wolf,
Scooby snacks, right?
yes,
No, he didn't have no
Scooby-Doo
slushy.
He
smacked
had
that
no
wolf down.
slushy.
Scooby-Doo smacked that
That's
that
so
wolf
Scooby-Doo.
down.
Scooby-Doo loves slushies.
Yeah.
How you gonna tell a scary story on Christmas Eve?
No, Scooby-Doo.
Santa already got
Smack
ate
that
up by the
wolf
wolves.
Oh.
That's what it would say. It was like, ooh.
Oh, this is
No,
a sad,
bad.
sad story.
Santa came back.
Yeah.
How did he get back?
He's a zombie Santa.
Shut up, Mom.
No, he was back to normal. But he was
Back to
sad.
normal. He's 3.
And that was and
Yes.
that's the Santa
Baby
one.
got back.
Not gonna
Black
be the
Sabbath.
Santa one. Then Santa was fired after that cold free flashing. Then it got feed to popcorn.
Yeah, so this is the spot? This
Then
is
It got
gonna be at?
feed to popcorn.
Okay, stop saying popcorn. You're spitting on mommy.
Then